Good afternoon, ABR-MarketWatch viewers. Today, we've got a mixed bag of market news for you as the day winds down. The headlines are dominated by two key stories. First, U.S. stocks remain steady but unchanged after a pause following their winning streak, with investors now keeping an eye on upcoming economic data such as GDP reports, jobless claims, consumer confidence, and PCE data set for Thursday and Friday. The second story is the surge in U.S.-listed Lithium Americas stock, soaring over 90% following reports of potential U.S. government investment. This news has also boosted other lithium stocks, including Albemarle, Sigma Lithium, and even giants like General Motors. The overall market mood is cautious but optimistic, with the lithium industry experiencing a significant boom and Alibaba's strategic moves contributing to growth in China stocks. The dollar is expected to see moderate to strong selling into month-end, as reported by Barclays. Today on Wall Street, main indexes showed subdued trading. Despite a resilient economy, the Fed's remarks on the labor market have introduced some uncertainty. In his comments, Powell highlighted asset prices as fairly valued, suggesting potential concern over elevated stock market valuations. The Dow Jones, S&P 500, and Nasdaq Composite all saw minimal gains. U.S.-listed shares of Chinese firms showed gains, led by an 8.9% surge in Alibaba Group due to a partnership with NVIDIA. Lithium Americas shares soared after reports of potential government investment, while General Motors rose on upgraded ratings from UBS and discussions for a large loan. ServiceNow added 2.9% following a Morgan Stanley upgrade. Marvell Technology gained on a $5 billion stock repurchase program, and Micron Technology fell after quarterly results. Oracle slipped due to planned corporate bond sales. Freeport-McMoRan dropped 10.5% following lower copper and gold sales forecasts for the third quarter. Investors will now focus on the core personal consumption expenditures data, the Fed's preferred inflation gauge, later this week. The S&P 500 recorded more new highs than lows, signaling a cautious but optimistic market mood. In other news, new home sales in the U.S. unexpectedly soared to a 3.5-year high in August, defying expectations of a struggling housing sector. This marks a significant reversal of the July decline and suggests that the labor market weakening and rising borrowing costs may not be as detrimental as initially thought. However, this upswing contradicts evidence suggesting challenges in the new build segment, as materials costs, borrowing rates, and economic uncertainties strain affordability. As always, stay tuned to ABR MarketWatch for the latest market updates. Remember, we're here to help you navigate the complexities of the market with insightful analysis and actionable advice. Until next time, take care and happy investing.